National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Freestone County and Central Texas, Southeastern Henderson County and Central Texas, Anderson County and Central Texas, until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Frankston to 9 miles east of Fairfield Lake State Park, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palestine, Elkhart, Frankston, Berryville, Coffee City, and Pointer. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Anderson and Henderson,